Are you struggling with baking, ruining perfect cupcakes, muffins, and other pastries while trying to get them out of that poorly designed, old-fashioned tin? Well, struggle no more with our new, better design, the Bake Genie.
Welcome to Bake Genie, where we make baking easier. Now with our new patent design with the springs on the bottom and the removable bottoms, not only makes it easier to bake, but easier to clean too. And now, the new patented locks to hold down the muffin tin while your muffins, cupcakes, brioches are all elevated, making it for an easier grab.
Quit serving friends and guests crushed muffins that look like they probably went through a garbage disposal twice. Instead, be the life of the party with the best shaped baked goods in town. The Bake Genie makes baking so simple, utilizing a muffin tin with removable bottom plates and a spring-loaded bottom to keep it lifted. The bottom tin has pins to raise the plates up, also raising the pastries. And our side locks hold it down for hands-free grabbing. Bake Genie.